Good morning, students. As we know that operating system is a very important software in our computer. It controls and monitors the working of computer system. It monitors the working of resources. It manages the input output devices and other resources between various application softwares. Today we will discuss about different types of operating system. First we will discuss about single user operating system. Children, as the name is that this operating system allow only one user to do work on a computer. More than one user cannot do work. अगर मैं कंप्यूटर में टाइपिंग कर रही हूँ तो दूसरा यूज़र उसी समय पर एक्सेल में वर्क नहीं कर सकता है. चिल्ड्रन, दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ वेरी सिंपल because it does not have any complexity, and due to it its maintenance work is also very simple. To manage this operating system is a simple work. Children, in single user operating system there is a two types of operating system: single tasking operating system and multitasking operating system. Single tasking operating system means this type of operating system allow the user to do only one task at a time. When he or she is doing one task, he or she cannot do another task. To do another task, first he or she has to complete the first task. For example, if you want to print a document and we want to download an image, we cannot do both the work at the same time. General MS-DOS is the example of such type of operating system where we can do one work at a time, and Windows 95 also allowed this type of facility that one user can do only one task at a time. Old versions of Windows before 95 are also based on this method, and this type of operating system is popular in a handheld operating computers because in that system is very small. That is the reason simple operating system is required. Now we will understand some features of single user and single tasking operating system. Children, in this user can do only one task effectively, and because it is very simple operating system, so it requires less memory space. Like Microsoft DOS can easily just store in a pen drive or a floppy disk. But children, because it is not allow a user to do multiple tasks, this type of operating systems are not popular right now, and they are also not costly because they are not very complex operating system. The, this type of operating systems are not providing much more features to us. Now we will understand single user multitasking operating system. This type of operating system allow a user to do more than one task at the same time. Like the latest versions after Windows 95 are multitasking operating system. We can do more than one task at a time. I am typing in Microsoft Word at the same time. I am just using the antivirus to scan my computer, and also I have just started a downloading of a file. So more than one task we are doing at a time. This type of operating system is popular nowadays. Like Windows, we are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 2000. So these are multitasking operating system. Now we will discuss features of multitasking single user operating system. As I told you children, this is the common type of operating system we are using. We are using at home, we are just using in office, and even in schools. Everywhere the operating system we are using are multitasking operating system that allow us to do more than one task at a time.